Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do spicy noodle. This is how it look. Oh, this is the chicken feet. Okay, this is the 2x one. The 2x one. Look, very spicy, and wish me luck. First, I'm gonna take off my jacket. It's gonna be super cold. It's gonna be super cold, but let's watch me eating. You know, it's kind of boring when you do alone. I mean, like when you eat it alone, you know. Like if you do friends, it's more better. I mean, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's it. Okay, look at my seaweed, more flavor. Guys, don't mind me, okay? I was so fat. I'm really bad at opening this. I don't know how. I keep it too long, so this is why. Look, it's so sticky together. Man, look at this. Y'all see that? Y'all see the color? My mouth is watering right now, like you can see. Spit everywhere. Okay, y'all. I've been waiting for doing this for a long fucking time, but finally, you guys. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, should I start eating? I'm watering, like literally watering. I'm supposed to use fork, but like too lazy to use. Oh my god, y'all, it's so super red. Oh my god, my mushroom. I'm gonna finish this, all of it. Toàn là nhỏ ta hè bỏ đường nó cứ về hẻm được đấy. You know, you feel? Too much flavor, you guys. I'm gonna put my eggs. Look at that. Fish. I love mushroom. Y'all make sure to subscribe and like, give a big thumbs up, you know, so we can make more video. No, not we, I. So boring without no friends. I need to be careful that. Big bite for people who are watching, for y'all. Okay, I mean, if y'all not tried chicken feet yet, y'all should. I mean, it's so fucking good. So spicy. I'm really good at eating spicy because, you know, I used to, so. Y'all, like, I'm not hungry at all, but like, I don't know, it makes me want to eat this. So good. I love my eggs, my fried eggs. So I'm doing this without no drinking water. Mushroom. แล้วเนี่ยอยู่มาพ่อชอคอดี how do we say ชอคอดีกันวะ어떻게 커서 이렇게 클리닉 커서 주더라. từ chị ba cho lại ở bà Korean đoà hay là mò bà được ở đâu đó người ta mua lại mình lấy cha được bắt gọi lại luôn cái đó shit. Like seriously, I forgot to bring napkin. It's gone. Fish so good. I'm doing water, guys. Grandma's so good. Almost done. I'm burning right now. Y'all see my neck? I got this from my mom. She's so sweet. She gave it to me. Đúng không? Hay là bữa ăn mới biết mà. That's so funny. Guys, my body, my throat, my tongue is burning. But I'm gonna finish this anyway. Too much flavor. I almost finished, guys. Okay, I'm almost done, don't worry. My tongue are burning. Yeah. So good. Oh, it's hot. Spicy. I feel like I'm done. Done, y'all. Y'all can't believe that I eat that all by myself. Please, you guys, comment down below what video should I have to do next. Like, it can be any video, it can be any comment, okay? Quite excited. Too much spicy. It's about